over the next few hours. That's the latest flashes and bangs over the north of the Pennines into East Lancashire, down through Gloucestershire, and now coming into the southeastern part of England. In fact, the big storm centre over Europe, one near Paris, is heading our way now, and any homegrown storms will keep moving north. In fact, you can see the development during the day. This is how they built, and the general movement is just east of north. So much of western Britain, though dominated by the cloud, is probably going to be free from the thunder. It's this plume here which really contains that humid air and the air that's going thundery at the moment. So for the evening then, thunderstorms anywhere in England and Wales, most likely east of Wales, shall we say, and then the darker clouds staying over Northern Ireland and western Scotland. Most of those thunderstorms will die out overnight, but with all the water around, there'll be pretty thick fog patches and very humid air. A very warm night once again for the eastern side of England. In fact, for much of Wales as well, and even Scotland and Northern Ireland will be into 13 degrees. Sunday should start mainly fine, but again it's going to be fairly humid, so as temperatures rise, they'll be scattered, but they will be scattered thunderstorms around, and the rain will then start to edge in from the west into Wales and the southwest of England, bringing eventually fresher weather. Though it will be a warm and humid day, Monday promises a start of a change. North and down to the borders of Scotland, down through the north of England, and then across towards the southeast. Now, more precisely, the largest thundery cells are still coming up from France towards the southeast of England and East Anglia. And further west, this bank of cloud, you can see sporadic rain in that radar I just picked up there. Tonight there'll still be some thunderstorms around in the east right up until dawn, but the main problem for places that turn drier is fog from the water on the ground, and not much will change over Northern Ireland and western Scotland. Very mild night as well down the eastern side, rather unpleasantly muggy I would have thought, once again in Kent and maybe in East Anglia. Now Sunday will start generally fine once we burn off the fog, but there'll still be some storms around, even in the morning, most likely in the eastern areas, and during the day this rain will start to edge its way in towards Wales and the southwest, and once more, with fairly high temperatures, we'll see storms pick up in the afternoon and evening. Some of them could be pretty vicious with very strong winds on the fronts, the gust fronts, some hail, and also some locally very heavy rain. And once again it'll be sticky. Vicious gusts, 29 degrees once again. Should be rather more pleasant to the west, except that it'll probably be raining in that 23 degrees. Eventually we get rid of the sultry weather later on Monday.